It's attacked. We're being attacked by seagulls. We're sitting at the rest stop. Look.
Jimmy, I'm gonna get out.
Look at
Just
them.
wait.
Here they come.
Well, here's some chips, babe.
You're gonna get out. You're crazy.
Look what I got, guys. Okay. I have a candy bar for you.
He's gonna throw it. Look at him. Oh God, here they come. They're gonna fly in the van.
It's the birds. It's the birds.
No, crumble these and put these on top of the van.
No, don't do that. You have them all in the van. Man will come out and be pissed. He's gonna be pissed. Oh God, they're gonna fly in, dude. They're gonna fly.
That's right, boys. Come and get them. Here. Come on, you want it?
Matt, your wife's not worried that you broke the van engine again. These things go shit on.
Hey guys, how you doing? How you doing? Go get them, boys. Do we have any more food? Do we have any more food?
Yeah, we got some ginger snaps.
Here comes Matt. He's gonna be so pissed. Oh man, my head hurts. Drop them all right by the door so we can't get in. Wait till he gets close and then throw him by the door. Oh shit! That's a good one, dude. Oh, this is too funny.
They love you, man.
Look at my face.
Have to see what the
I'm tearing up.
Got their babies involved.
I threw one up on your back. They're laying another one and they're trying to eat it. And then he opens the door and he throws stuff out and I'm like, holy shit, they're gonna fly in the van.
He's like, oh, my son is so pissed, I'm gonna shit in the van.